We back once again. I'm having a hard time reading the market here for Friday. So a lot of times I don't even do videos like Thursday and Friday because as you get into the end of the week, the GEX essentially to me becomes a little less useful, and things get a little crazy. Anyways, but based on what I'm seeing here, it just honestly just looks like we're just gonna pin 40-50. There is a chance that we could rug because we are opening up, at some extremely overbought levels, in my opinion. So looking out for a reversion. But according to all the times I've seen a picture like this with the volatility trigger being so far away, all I end up seeing is just them, chopping it around a bit and then pinning it. So I wouldn't be surprised to see 40-50 get pinned. SPY looks the same. Uh, Again, I'm not saying there couldn't be a reversion that we're, because we're opening up at some extreme overboughts. So if there is a catalyst or something, we could sell off, which is my preferred scenario, but I just don't see it. I don't see it in Tesla. I see 295. Vol trigger way down here. I see Apple 157.50. I see VIX 23, and I see TLT 108. TLT is the only kind of wild card here. You'd want to see this one, also in a positive volatility state, but it's not, it's not non-volatile as they would say. So this one's a little bit iffy. If you look at the chart with TLT, it looks like they're already starting to buy it up a little bit here. But 108 probably going to get tested and traded, but you still have the lows to contend with. You're sort of in an oversold state on TLT. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen today. I'm sorry, I couldn't really. The only thing I could say is it probably just pins. So be on the lookout for that.